So when you start looking at feature management, automated service agreements, performance-based warranties, these are all manifestations of some kind of usage-based or hardware as a service. And we believe that culminates in a usage-based financing program, where you're not just bolting on a warranty post-sale, an automated service agreement as a post-sale product, feature management that can turn on and off features post-sale. You're really impacting how the machine is purchased. You're bundling all that together and you're delivering a turnkey product that is paid for based on its ability to achieve an outcome in a plant. Now, OEMs, as a general rule, don't have the kind of cash position to allow them to self-finance machines that go into the field and get paid for on an annuity. Most end users today are financing these machines through operating or capital leases or loans with equipment financiers, financial institutions. A usage-based financing program would bring those three parties together: the OEM who's building the machine, the end user who's operating it, and the financial institution that's underwriting it, participating in the performance of that machine, each of them being maximizing the financial return based on the performance of that asset in the environment, paid for as it's being used.